Hi everyone, it is Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a green screen with OBS Studio. This is also known as a Chroma key, and it's very simple to do. So as you can see, I have a green screen behind me and I've got the Chroma key effect on this current video. So let's go ahead. I've just opened up OBS. This is what it will look like if you've just installed the software. Nothing is set up. So I'm going to show you how to quickly set it up and then add the green screen. What you need to do is go to the Sources tab down here, this little box, and you first need to add your screen. So we're going to go to Display Capture right here, and then we're going to go OK. And from here, it will give you another screen. If you have multiple displays, you can select which one you want to record. I'm going to go OK. Now I need to add the video. So I've got a webcam, but if you've got an inbuilt webcam or even an external one, whatever you're using, you do that here by hitting the plus again. And we want to add a video capture device. And then I'm just going to click OK. You can name each one. And I'm going to select the Logitech Brio, which is what I am using as my webcam. There I am. I'm going to center myself on that green screen a little bit. That's just a green screen I bought off of eBay. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was like 150 or maybe 200 bucks. It's a nice quality one. You can get cheaper ones, but I suggest the high quality ones because they will last longer. And then I'm going to click OK. I also need to hit the plus and do an audio capture if you want to hear your own voice. So you select here the device that is, so if you're using your display or a microphone, you'd select that here. So my microphone is plugged into my SSL2, which is my audio device. And okay, so I'm ready to go now. I've got my microphone, I've got my webcam, and I've got my screen recording. What I'm going to do is just crop this a little bit better by clicking on this. And then, whoops, I've got the actual screen there. I don't want to do that. What I want to do is grab my video device. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. And then you'll notice if you go on the side here and do that, it makes it bigger and smaller. I want to crop it, so you just have to hold your Option key. This is on a Mac. If you're on a PC, you'll need to use the Alt button to do this. On the Mac, it's Option. So Option there, I'm just going to crop that and then pop it down in the corner. So here is how to get rid of that green behind me and give me the green screen effect. All I'm going to do is go down to where it says Video Capture Device. And then right here, I'm going to select Filters. And then under the Effects Filters, I'm going to hit the plus right here. And I'm going to select Chroma key. Then I'm going to hit OK. You can see there that it's working really well. If you happen to have a different color, so you don't actually need to have the green, you can have a blue, magenta, or custom will allow you to select the exact color behind you. So if you have a slight low, so you can even do this if you've painted a wall behind you or if you have a colorful rug or something. But the professional green screens will give you the best result. I'm going to click close. So now I'm basically ready to record my video, and it will be recording my screen here. Make sure you do select an output area for your video. So under settings down here, you select under output right here, and under recording, make sure that you set the folder or make note of the folder where your videos are going, because when you hit start recording, it will automatically pop the video in that folder when you, so I'll hit start. I won't do it now because it will kill the current screen recording software I've got going. But you hit start recording, and then when you're finished, you hit stop recording. So you should have a video output file like this one. It will show the date of the recording, and you can change the output settings by going to the settings and output. And from here, you can select different formats like MOV or MP4. And you can also change the video bitrate and the audio bitrate right here. But if you don't know what you're doing, just leave those on the default settings. Now, when you're finished with your screen recording, you should edit it in a video editing program to give you a more professional looking video if you're going to be uploading it to YouTube or any other social media. So I use a program called ScreenFlow to do my video editing. But if you want a good free video editing program, if you're on Mac, you should get iMovie. The other one that I really like is a free program for PC and Mac called CapCut, and this is made by the creators of TikTok. This is a really robust, easy to use video editor. I can highly recommend it if you want a free piece of software rather than a paid one. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how you can use a green screen effect in OBS Studio. If you did find this content valuable, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.